Who organised that?
Oh, no one. I was just doing a video today on the companies.
Right.
And then I'm going to put it on the...
Well, you hadn't asked you to do this.
No. But then I was going to do a video, do a bit of a narrative and put it on the World Wide Web.
Oh, right, okay.
Any problems
Sir,
while I'm
we
there?
have our buildings here. You don't need to check anything, sir.
Yeah, I mean, while I'm there, if there's any leaks,
Sir,
I'll do it.
please go or I will call the police. You have your choice. You have 2 minutes. I will either be back in 2 minutes, sir.
Yeah.
Please disappear. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
At first, this looked completely routine, just a man filming outside a business. No obvious danger, no threat, nothing that should have turned into a scene. But the moment, suspicion, authority, and demands for control entered the conversation. Everything changed, and what began as an ordinary interaction suddenly became a standoff built on pressure, accusation, and police threats. So how did something this calm escalate into a confrontation that intense? This is not recreation or stock footage. This is real life, captured by pure audits. Every second shown is authentic. The full, uncut source footage is available in the description, because truth matters more than presentation.
Can I explain?
And we don't like our business being videoed.
We don't want it videoed, thank you.
No,
by
but
some stranger.
What I understand, sir, is this. You are not allowed to film over a private building, and we are not giving you permission. That is all you need to know. Go or I will call the police. You have your choice. You have 2 minutes.
Oh, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I'm in a place called Pontypool, and I'm looking at a company here, Charlotte Packaging. Looking at the website, it says, at Charlotte Packaging we have over 40...
Before the location even settles, the hostility is already there. No conversation, no curiosity, just control, threat, and panic at the sight of a camera.
I'm here for Charlotte Packaging today.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Well, you come to see?
Oh, shall I come over? I'm here for Charlotte Packaging today.
Oh, right.
Who are you?
I'm with Charlotte Express.
Ah, yeah, I was going to say there's two companies.
Yes.
Because I'm doing Charlotte Express as well.
What's that for, sir?
I'm doing a video. I'm going to do a video on Charlotte Express and Charlotte Packaging all in one video, and take some drone footage over the roof so we can see what's on the roof.
Who's organised that?
Oh, sorry?
I don't know who's organised that.
Oh, no one. I was just doing a video today on the companies. Right. And then I'm going to put it on the...
What begins as a normal introduction turns suspicious almost instantly. The problem is not behaviour here. The problem is that somebody dared to look closely.
Well, I own the one Express.
Oh, right, yeah, you own that one. Yes. And that lady owns the other one, does she?
No. The gentleman's doing a video, but we haven't asked for a video, have we?
Why are you doing a video?
Oh, for entertainment.
What do you mean? Why are you videoing our premises?
Sorry?
Why are you videoing?
Oh, because I've come along for a few hours and I'm going to do a video of the premises, Charlotte Packaging and Charlotte Express Packaging, and talk about it, and then get some drone. I've got a drone in my rucksack, put the drone on the roof, and then I can publish it on the World Wide Web.
For what?
For entertainment.
They are not asking what he plans to show. They are challenging his right to show anything at all. And that changes the whole tone.
Why are you picking on our business?
Oh no, it's going to be a good video.
Yeah, but who are you? Who do you work for?
No one. I go round taking like videos of premises on industrial estates.
You can understand we're rather suspicious that someone should come and video our business. Can you understand that?
Well, no, I'm out on the road. I'm allowed to take a photograph.
I'm not saying what you're allowed to do, but...
I mean, I'm excited about doing it. It's going to be an exciting video.
What's exciting about a building with a name on the front? What's exciting about that?
Well, what I do...
Who's interested?
Well, you'd be surprised. There's tens of thousands of people who watch him.
You can understand our reaction, can't you? If you have someone coming videoing our premises, for what purpose?
Oh, for like entertainment. So
That accusation gives the game away. Being filmed is treated like persecution, as though public visibility itself were unfair when directed at them that day.
Payment for whom?
Well, for my channel, my sort of
What's
TikTok
the name
channel.
of your channel?
Why?
Well, you're videoing
Do you
our
watch?
premises.
Yeah. No, what I'll do when I put it up on Toxic. Do you watch Toxic?
Is that recording? That
Yeah,
GoPro? You're recording us
well, I'm
now,
using
are
my
you?
Zoom camera.
The thing
Are
is,
you recording us on your
Yeah, on this
GoPro?
one,
Well,
yeah.
Could you turn that off? Because I don't really want
No.
to. Are you
Oh no,
recording
that's
it?
my
I think
security.
The building,
Yeah.
the building is owned by the council. So if
Yeah.
you sought permission from the council,
Council now.
maybe we should ask the
Would
council.
you like to turn your GoPro off?
Oh, no, I
then?
can't
'Cause
turn-
don't want
I can't
to be
turn it off.
recorded.
Yeah, will you
What
turn
do you
it
mean you
off,
can't
please?
turn it
No,
off?
it's my Zoom camera that's the important one.
So that's not working
What's
then,
that
is it?
doing?
That's my GoPro. That's my protection.
Right.
Because
I
like
think we'll
Well,
go and ask,
sometimes,
I think we'll go and ask, I think we'll go and ask the council.
yeah.
Now the objections multiply fast. TikTok, permission, council ownership, recording. When weak arguments pile up like this, it usually means none can stand alone properly.
To get involved.
Yeah. Well,
So,
meanwhile,
'cause
what I do.
we don't really want you to do any videos.
Oh, no,
we haven't really requested
No.
you.
No, but it's exciting. It's going to
Well,
be.
Look, you
can I-
obviously have some sort
I'll
of
phone
motivation.
Daniel.
Yeah,
Come
yeah.
around now.
Yeah.
You have some motivation
Yeah.
for whatever you're doing. We don't understand.
Yeah.
You're not explaining yourself.
Oh, right. Can I
And
explain?
we don't like our business
No.
being videoed.
We
by
don't
some
want it videoed,
by,
thank you.
No,
by
but-
some stranger
Yeah.
stood outside trying
Yeah.
to provoke something.
No,
so
but
I
while
don't
I'm
know
outside,
what your intention is.
Can I let you know what my intention is?
I don't like being
Yeah.
recorded. Thank
Why
you.
not?
Well, why
So-
should I be recorded?
let's just go and get the
You
council
go in
involved.
and I'll carry on with this.
I'll go and let's just get our camera and record this gentleman and take a photo of this gentleman.
Oh, right.
then.
Oh,
Once they call it provocation, everything shifts. The camera becomes the excuse, and their own escalation suddenly gets dressed up as self-protection in broad daylight.
well, I'm not just doing your company. Can you talk to me? I'm doing the whole lot. Just don't, please talk to me. I'm doing a video.
Not interested, mate.
Yeah.
Just go ahead.
Oh, I'm just doing a video of the whole estate.
You haven't sought permission to do it.
Sorry?
You
No, I'm
haven't
just
sought
doing a
permission
video.
to
It's
do
like
it.
a video and a drone footage of the whole industrial estate. It's nothing.
Who is it?
Oh, yeah?
Can I ask you what are you doing?
Right, yeah, I come out this way. Who are you?
We're from the council
Oh,
office, sir.
right, right. Have they called you? Have they called you?
Who've called me what, sir?
Have they called you to
No,
come
sir,
out
I've
and see?
been seen with a drone outside the office, sir.
Oh, right, yeah, I'm doing a drone footage and a bit of a video.
Yeah, the problem is, sir, it's a private building. You're not allowed to put a...
They cannot settle it themselves, so authority gets summoned. That is often the moment discomfort stops being personal and starts pretending to be law instead.
drone over the top of a private building without permission of us.
Right.
Okay, so...
No, I'm in a public road.
I understand you're in a public
Yeah,
road, sir,
yeah.
but you're putting a drone
Yeah.
over a private property.
Have you seen the drone? Look at it. It's tiny.
I really don't care, sir, what it is.
Yeah.
So
It's
we are
way-
not giving you
yeah.
permission, sir, to put a drone over our buildings, okay?
What building? The council building.
The council building, sir, yes.
So you're local council
Yes, sir.
officer,
Yes, sir.
and you work for the company
No,
next
sir,
door.
they just rent the building
You-
office,
yeah,
sir.
yeah.
Okay? But we're not giving you permission to put the drone up over our building, sir, which you have to have permission to put over the private
Why not?
building. Because I'm telling you not, sir. You have no
No,
reason to. You have no reason to, and we're
Yeah,
not
but-
letting you do so. Okay?
Yeah, but I'm doing a lovely video.
Well done, sir. Thank you very much. Do
Nice.
your lovely video somewhere else.
Yeah, but it's just going to be a lovely video over
Excellent,
the...
sir. Thank you.
The confidence is striking because the legal claim is so shaky. He says it like a rule book, but certainty is not the same thing here.
Building the property, sir.
Yeah, but I was going to put it on Toxic.
I don't care if it's on TikTok or whatever you want to, sir. We do
Oh,
not want it on there.
Yeah,
Okay?
but it's going to be a lovely video.
Well, very nice, sir. Please go and take a video somewhere else. I'm sure
Oh,
there's
where?
a lot of places. Pontypool Park is very nice, sir. Perhaps they'd like a nice video of that then, sir.
No, I don't think you understand.
What I understand, sir, is this. You are not allowed
Yeah.
to film over a private building,
Yeah.
and we are not giving you permission. That is all you need to know, sir.
So what about my Zoom camera?
Nothing at all, sir. There's no pictures taken, nothing at all, sir.
No, but I've got my Zoom camera.
Sir, right.
Yeah.
You have a reason you can move on,
Yeah.
or I'll call the police.
I don't understand why you call the police.
It's a private building, sir.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
are not allowed to film. We are not allowed to film over anybody's private building. Okay, we're not
Yeah.
allowed to take photos of anybody's private building. A member of the public is not allowed to take us or to film over our.
Here the mask really slips. It is no longer about a drone. Suddenly, even ordinary, photography becomes forbidden simply because they dislike being seen publicly.
Permission. So turn it
What,
off.
for my drone?
Your drone, it is, sir. It's a drone.
Why?
You are not allowed to film over private buildings, sir.
No, I don't think you understand.
No.
I've
Doesn't
just
matter.
come a long way on my bike.
Well, you couldn't come that far, but it doesn't matter. Go and film wherever you come from, sir. We are not having it filmed up others.
But
So
do you
sir,
want me to show you the drone footage?
I don't want any drone
Because
footage.
you can look at it. I can show you
I don't
as I'm
care, sir,
flying.
about any drone footage. Nobody goes. We're not doing any more.
Yeah.
If you continue,
Yeah.
we will ring the police.
But while I'm out here,
While you're out here, sir, you can get on your
Yeah.
bike and disappear. Thank you.
no, but while I'm out here, I can check the roof for any problems
Sir,
while I'm
we
there.
have our buildings here. You don't need to check anything, sir.
Yeah, I mean, while I'm there, if there's any leaks,
Sir,
I'll do it.
please go or I will call the police. You have your choice. You have 2 minutes. I will either be back at 2 minutes, sir.
Yeah.
Please do.
He offers transparency, and they still refuse it. That tells you everything. The goal was never reassurance. The goal was submission, backed by time pressure.